Now let's move forward to answer the questions with the improper fractions, which are N, B, Q, and R on page 151. First of all, we have this question, which is 12 over 9. As we can see, the numerator is bigger than the denominator, which means it's an improper fraction. But first, let's simplify by dividing over 3 for both, and then we get 4 over 3. Still, it's improper fraction. We do the methods I showed you earlier to just find the max number for this improper fraction. This is the method now, as you can see, okay? Follow the example and do exactly what I say. For the following B, we do exactly the same. 45 divided by 20. What is the common factor here to be divided by both the numerator and the denominator? It's actually 5. Dividing over 5, you get 9 over 4. And again, then changing the improper fraction because we have a bigger numerator here to mixed number, and you get 2 and 4. 2, 1 over 4, okay? If you want to make sure that it's correct, just change from mixed to improper again, and you get 9 over 4 again. For Q, we have 28 over 20. We divide by the common factor for both of these, numerator and denominator, which is 4. Divide by 4 and you get 7 over 5. It's the most simplified fraction, and then you can change it into mixed number by doing the method I showed earlier. If you want to make sure that your answer is correct, just change from your mixed number again to improper and you get the same number, which is 7 over 5. Now for R here, we have 120 over 40. We need to find a common factor for both and be divisible for numerator and denominator. We actually found that 40 is the common factor, or the, let's say, the greatest common factor here. So we divide by 40, we get 3 right away, because 40 over 40 divided by 40 is 1. 120 divided by 40 is 3. And that's all for question number 6. Okay guys, now let's start answering question number 7 on page 151. The question mentioned that there are 20 fractions in the sequence between 1 over 20 until 20 over 20. So they ask us how many of them cannot be cancelled or simplified, as I explained before, to a simpler form. To do this, we have to write all the fractions, or all the 20 fractions, okay, between 1 over 20 until 20 over 20. And then we try to find a common factor for each fraction. If, of course, the numerator is 1, that means this is the simplest form. So this is a fraction that cannot be cancelled, okay? Whenever you see a fraction now here in red, that means these fractions cannot be cancelled, or there are no common factors to be divided by, okay? The answer is 1 over 20, 3 over 20, 7 over 20, 9 over 20, 11 over 20, 13 over 20, 17 over 20, and last 19 over 20. Okay, and now with question number 8, we have a compass here that's been split into 8 divisions around its face, and we need to find what fraction of a turn takes you from. These divisions are 8, that means we have a denominator of 8, and we need to answer from A to F. Okay, so for A, we have from NW to SW clockwise. Clockwise means that you have to count from left to right. So we have in W here, we start counting the divisions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We stop at SW because we were asked to be stopping here. So we have 6 over 8. The answer for A is 6 over 8. We need to more simplify it, as it was asked from the question here, write your fraction in the simplest form. So we just find the common factor and divide, and then find the simplest form, which is 3 over 4. The answer would be 3 over 4. Now for B, we have to start counting the opposite way, which is anti-clockwise. So we start counting from right to left, and we have E as a starting point here of the division. So we start counting from E. So E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I stop at S as it was asked here. So we have also 6 over 8. Simplify it to be 3 over 4, but this is the simplest form. For C, in E to S clockwise, NE is here, and we go all the way to S. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 over 8. it's not divisible, so we cannot divide it. This is the simplest form. For D, you go with 3 over 8 the same. S to NE, so S 1 2 3 anti-clockwise. Okay, EW to SE, we just go from W to SE clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5 5 over 8. For F, the last one, N to NW clockwise. N is here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 over 8. 7 over 8. And these are the answers for question number 8. I hope it was beneficial to you, and I hope you understand the lesson. The rest of the questions will be coming soon. Focus, study well, and be safe. Thank you.